How to unlink Google from Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Settings application. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now tap on All Services. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner and click on Google account. Now tap on Data and Privacy and scroll down. Now click on Apps and Services. Now click on Third Party Apps and Services. Now scroll down and find Wuthering Waves. Now click on Wuthering Waves. Now tap on Delete All Connections. Now click on Confirm. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.